Guys, welcome to online learning programming. Today in this video we'll see some examples of basic programming questions. This is the video in the series of basic programming internship questions. Let's see. Here in the very first questions, write a program to count the total number of vowels and consonants in a string. In this program, our task is to count the total number of vowels and consonants present in the given string. As you know that the characters A, E, I, O, U are known as vowel in English alphabet. Any characters other than that known as consonants. Here, I'm giving you some examples. Online learning programming as input string. The total number of vowel is 6, consonant is 11. Let's see the quick demo. Let's create a one Java project here. I'm giving a name as demo 2. Let's create a one package inside the source folder. And I'm giving a name as com.online. Let's create a one class. Example 1. I'm giving a name as example 1. Let's create a main method here. I'm using a scanner to read the data from keyword. Scanner, let's create a scanner instance. Scanner equals to new scanner and input stream is system.in. Before this, let's print something here in enter a data. Now let's define this data with a data type as a string scanner dot next line. So I'm converting this input string to lowercase. So that comparison can be done with the lowercase. We need to check each character by character, so that I'm using a loop here. For int I equals to 0, I is less than data dot length and I plus plus here. Inside the loop, let's use the condition of for vowel. If data dot character at index position, so I'm giving here I equals to that is A. If that is the case, or also we need to check for all vowels characters. Let's do here A, E, I, U, and the last one is U. Let's replace here U. First A, E, I, U, and last one is U. So if this is the condition is true, let's increment the vowel count. Assign a let's create a one more variable int vowel count equals to 0. Similarly, let's create a one more variable name as consonant count equals to 0. If this is a true, then increment the vowel counts equals to vowel count plus 1. Similarly, we need to check for consonant. Let's create a condition for consonant, else if data dot char at I greater than equals to A. Here the condition is and data dot char at I less than equals to G. If this is the condition is true, then let's increment the consonant counter. Okay, so here consonant count equals to consonant count plus 1. Let's print the value of consonant count and vowel count outside the loop. Vowel count is vowel count consonant count is plus consonant count. So let's execute this program. I'm giving a input as online programming. Here vowel count is 6, consonant is 11. Let's re-execute this code and giving a input as apple. It is giving a vowel count as 2, consonant is 3, which is correct. Let's execute with giving a input data as a integer, and here vowel count is 0, consonant count is 0. This is working. Now let's move on next demo. In next question, write a program to generate the Fibonacci series up to n terms. In Fibonacci series, the first two numbers 0 and 1 are default, and to generate the next number is the sum of previous two numbers. Here, to generate the new number 0 plus 1, it gives the new number 1. To generate the new number here, 1 plus 1 gives 2. Similarly, 1 plus 2 gives 3. 2 plus 3 gives 4. Let's do a quick demo on this. Let's create a one new class. I'm giving a name as example2. Inside the class, let's create a one main method. Let's define two default numbers. Int n1 equals to 0. Int n2 equals to 1. Now, let's create a one more variable. Int sum. Let's print here enter the drum. Enter the number of drums. Let's use a scanner instance. Let's create a scanner instance. Scanner equals to new. Scanner input stream is again system.in. Let's assign this value by new variable int n equals to scanner dot next int. Let's use a for loop till n drums for int I equals to 0. I is less than n drums I plus plus. Let's put here sum equals to, let's sum the two numbers n1 plus n2. Now exchange the number here. n1 becomes a n2 and n2 will be sum. Let's print n1 before sum. Okay, let's run this code. Here I'm giving a drums, 8 drums. Here 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, which is correct. If I give here the trump as a 5 till 5, so it will give the record 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, which is correct. 0. The main logic of this code is inside the for loop. That's it guys for today's session. Please leave your feedback in the comment below. If you find this video helpful, please thumbs up this video, and for more awesome video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.